Welcome to my YouTube channel Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Khizr alayhi salam. Let's start the video. Prophet Khizr alayhi salam is a revered figure in Islamic tradition. He is considered a wise and mysterious servant of Allah, known for his deep knowledge and guidance to certain individuals. His name means the green one in Arabic, which is believed to represent his association with divine knowledge and wisdom, as well as his role in helping people on their spiritual journey. The most famous story of Prophet Khizr alayhi salam is his encounter with Prophet Musa alayhi salam. In the Quran, in Surah Al-Kahf, Prophet Khizr alayhi salam meets Prophet Musa alayhi salam and agrees to teach him lessons in patience and understanding. However, the actions that Prophet Khizr alayhi salam performs during their journey confuse Prophet Musa alayhi salam. As they seem to be wrong at first, like damaging a boat, killing a young boy, and rebuilding a wall in a town that refused to offer them hospitality. Eventually, Prophet Khizr alayhi salam explains that his actions were all part of Allah's greater plan and wisdom, and they were meant to protect or benefit others in the long run. Prophet Khizr alayhi salam is not just a wise teacher but is also believed to possess great spiritual power. Islamic traditions suggest that he is still alive and hidden from ordinary human sight, existing in a state of immortality. Many believe that he appears to guide certain individuals in times of need, providing wisdom and help when it is most required. His connection to divine wisdom makes him a symbol of knowledge and divine guidance in Islamic culture. In some interpretations, Prophet Khizr alayhi salam is also seen as a symbol of the ability to see beyond the apparent and understand the deeper meaning behind events in life. His story teaches that not everything is as it seems and that there is a greater purpose behind every event, even if humans cannot always comprehend it. This lesson encourages believers to have patience, trust in Allah's plan, and seek wisdom. Prophet Khizr alayhi salam influence extends beyond just his interaction with Prophet Musa alayhi salam. He is also believed to have guided other important figures in Islamic history and continues to be an important spiritual guide for many Muslims today. Some cultures and Islamic traditions even believe that he appears to individuals during times of crisis, offering them knowledge or solutions that they could not find on their own. Another aspect of Prophet Khizr alayhi salam legacy is his association with water. In many accounts, he is connected to water sources, and some believe that he has the ability to control or bless water. This association with water adds to his symbolism as a provider of sustenance, further underlining his divine role in helping and protecting people. In Sufism, Prophet Khizr alayhi salam is often seen as a symbol of the inner knowledge that a mystic seeks to attain. Sufi scholars believe that the wisdom of Prophet Khizr alayhi salam is beyond human understanding and can only be fully grasped through deep spiritual insight. He is sometimes referred to as a spiritual guide who leads seekers on their path to enlightenment. In conclusion, Prophet Khizr alayhi salam is a central figure in Islamic mysticism and spirituality. His story teaches lessons of patience, trust in divine wisdom, and the importance of seeking knowledge. His ongoing presence in Islamic culture serves as a reminder that there are greater forces at work in the world, and that every action has a purpose, even if we do not immediately understand it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.